Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to perform our dialogue for our project about our daily routines. First of all, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Tamara Budimapa. My name is Bella Yolanda Sakti.
My name is Haifa Akbar.
Let's start. Guys, our lecturer has asked to practice a long conversation in English today. How about we talk about our daily routines? It sounds good to me. We have different ones about the routine, like highlights. You should start. You like so energy in the morning. And well, that's because I like waking up early. Usually I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then I open my phone to call my mom for about 10 minutes.
Wow, that's impressive. I can open my eyes with 7:30.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I wake up at 6.
Yes, I wake up at 10 to 7. If I wake up earlier, I feel sleepy.
Oh, okay, guys. Not everyone is a morning person, right? After calling mom, I took a shower, then I get breakfast and listen to music. What about you, Dana? What's your morning routine?
It's very basic. I will get up at 6 p.m. and eat breakfast. Yeah, I mean breakfast and then I take a shower, tea, and wash my face. It's something quick like bread with chocolate spread.
Wow, chocolate delicious.
Yeah, it's very delicious. You should try.
You're ready to read.
My routine is simple but slow. I wake up at maybe 6 p.m. and I take a shower. And then yes. No, my friend it's cook in the morning.
My friend doesn't cook for breakfast.
Oh, wow.
For me, just for me.
It's for you, yeah. Not just menu.
How about you, Aida? What's your morning routine?
I may start half past 7. I get to bed. I'm going to the bedroom. And
I don't like rushing because it makes me stressed. Yeah.
and the prepare lunch box. Lunch box is my yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Okay, I like cooking.
So, what do you all do during class breaks or
During after class, yeah. Maybe I bought some game and sit with my
food and coffee.
You like coffee?
Yes, it will make me stay awake.
Coffee in Holly?
No, I prefer to matcha.
Oh, matcha, like your voice.
But I don't like matcha.
Why you don't? Why you don't? Why you like that? It's so nice.
Because the texture is
Oh, I know.
then like, how would you end up?
I actually prefer to dairy. I just spend quiet and
You like reading?
yeah.
Reading? What's nice?
What do you delivery? What was the
What novel or novel or comics? Genre science or anything?
I like the short story.
Short story.
online?
No, in library.
Library.
Oh. After class.
What are you doing, guys?
Maybe I practice my English language. No, voice. Yeah,
It's like the same.
yeah. Also, after class, I go to
I hear you singing part one.
That's nice. Your voice is
I agree with that. Your voice is so.
Oh my god, thank you guys. How about you?
And my friends, and after class, when I make a assignment, psikologi pendidikan, I don't know where we want to take a trip. Maybe after that, after this, we want to discuss.
You tomorrow? After class? Me too. I will take a video too. Yes, at the library and Omegan. Yes.
It's not far from your house.
Yes, it's around my house.
What about turn right? Or turn right from American Park?
It's right.
Oh, yes. Let me share your phone. I wanna visit your home.
Of course, I will share my home. You guys can see my home.
How about you?
This class, and my
Your friend?
and my
Do you go?
I stay in the home.
Oh, just stay at home.
Just chill at home. Okay.
Feeling with your friends.
Why?
I know that's introvert.
Introvert. Oh my god. Don't tell me.
This weekend, what are you doing?
Activity, just relax at home. I think I just relax at home.
The coffee shop.
I
Something tiramisu cake.
don't like tiramisu.
Oh, so nice.
I just like
It tastes so good. You should try when you next week. This weekend.
this weekend. Yeah.
wanna go with you. I know.
Yes. You wanna go? You going home? You talk to boyfriend? Oh my god. I don't have boyfriend. I don't have boyfriend. Because my boyfriend. Yeah, of course. Malaysia. Oh my god. So far from you. You said that. Everything is there. Oh my god, Elvira. How much you tomorrow?
Weekend, I think I will just chill at home.
How watching movie?
If you guys will go, I will watch it.
That sounds so good.
Maybe I will check mine and you don't wanna watch with me. So, my boyfriend have my boyfriend want me to go.
Sorry, God. What you like? Just stay with your home. Oh, because it's your preference.
What do you do at home? You just watch movies. Like
Or you're playing games.
So, what game?
I don't know.
One of my favorite
Noodles?
that's what kind.
Curry noodles.
Do you like noodles?
Yes, I like noodles.
What's your favorite flavor?
Louder.
I like the noodles. Fried noodles.
Oh, fried noodles. Oh, North Korean noodles.
Fried noodles is
Ramen.
myself.
Spicy song.
Yeah, I agree with you.
It's okay when I eat spicy food.
My heart. Yes. Everyone knows. Yes.
I know that.
Okay.
I can have this with and when it's home. Only like go to sleep. Under 10 p.m.
PM.
10 p.m.
I think I 11 PM because I like watching video in the TikTok. Scroll. After
Mostly it will be in your
I my TikTok. Maybe
China.
no Korean. And Indonesian. But so dramatic. Yeah,
It's like, why do you make this music so well?
I'm going to say 10 after the next day. Yes.
After sleep, what are you doing?
When I wake up,
Yeah.
when I wake up, just I drink. I drink a glass of water. I told you before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sorry. After sleep. And what would you do after sleep?
I scroll TikTok. I scroll TikTok for 5 minutes. After that, I take a shower. After you take a shower, then breakfast. Yeah, breakfast. Bread chocolate.
Oh yeah. And you cook. Yeah. Just for you. Enough, right? Okay. The mission is complete, right? Now closing, right? Yeah. And this is all from our group. Thank you.
Bye.